Hi guys, hi everyone. I guess yeah, that's enough. So we are starting the live now. Okay. Let me check the connections. Sorry. Stream is healthy, stream health is okay. Good. I guess we are doing it after 2 weeks. This stream. No, we are live. Yes. Okay, pin message. Let me pull up my HackerRank.com. Login for developers. Bro, don't ask me. I have to sign on. Okay, so we did 59. Continue preparation. Let's go to the. Okay, oh bro. So we finished almost all the easy ones. Now mostly it's just the medium and hard questions left. So refine all and refine iter. Let's just do some of the validating phone numbers. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, so let's dive into this interesting topic of regular expressions. You are given some input and you are required to check whether they are valid, not valid. Okay, so valid phone number is a 10-digit number starting with 7, 8, or 9. A valid mobile number is a 10-digit number starting with 7, 8, or 9. So okay, so what we have to do is we have to check that you have to check if a number is valid, if it starts with 9, 8, or 7. Okay, and then we're gonna print yes or no based on its validity. Okay, so first I'll take an import, right? Let's call it times. and then we have the for I in range int times. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to take input for the phone numbers. Okay, phone numbers. Okay, so once we have this thing, I just know that we can solve this without even using the regular expressions, but it's better if I use regular expressions first. So, oh sheesh, did I open my voice? Yeah, it's open. Okay, so okay, so phone number is gonna be an input. Input 3, we have to check if the starting digit is 9 or not. So let me recall some of the regular expressions because I don't remember. Okay, character. Using a set of characters that is either escape special character or need to match. Okay, so that is where A and B can be arbitrary. R is created algorithm that will match either A or B, and arbitrary R is as separates in this way. Okay, so we, and then they did like, okay, word with the, okay, this is the string, then we search for the R word in that string. Okay, match dot group is going to be found word cat. Did not find t dot search pattern with string, basic patterns. Okay, so a match those exact characters which do not match themselves because they are strings. These, and these, and these match character except 9. Pattern. How we make our own pattern? Or plus for one or more occurrences of the pattern in its left. Okay, so it can be match dot group. Clue what is going on. W3 school regex. Ideal in the of this anything in all search. Okay, if I just use read dot search for replace one where read dot search a set characters, it's a special sequence. With use this one starts with we can say this with sample exit the specified number of occurrences. Okay, capture the group. So what I can see here is that then can we use these two over here. This one that start with, then these things like you can say okay, so dot and 10, total 9 actually. So this would be so no. Okay, like our pattern. like, okay, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 7, 8 or 9, and then exactly the separate number of occurrences. Okay, so what it is doing that hello planet, so we got, and then they use dot anything. What is the use of dot? Any character except new line, and any correct, and we say correct 9 any character in the expression. Okay, dot 9 any characters. That's all what we're looking for. So yes and no 9. Then we have 3, 3, 6, and 3, 9. So that will give us the. Okay, then you have read search pattern into 4. Okay, so I need to check if what is the read search that return okay, read search defines with okay, we have to also enclose it into an R, maybe raw string or pattern. Okay, so let's go back over here. So we say starting with 7, 8, or 9, and then there are 9 characters after it. So pattern is gonna go over here. Read search. Okay, offers two different primitive operations based on regulated. Read.match checks for the match only at the beginning of the string, while read.search checks for a match anywhere in the string. That is what Perl does by default. Okay, so read.compile is also starts with A. Okay, that's what I'm trying to do. Starts with A, and then there are this many characters after this thing. So okay, I need to pull up my subline now. Let's just say we have A with ABC. Okay, and then we have import re over here, re.search R with the expression of starts with A. Okay, and then we have the A string in here. We're gonna do print re.search. Okay, so and oops, my bad, I have to use the function directory. And then okay, so we have the in A we have, oh sheesh, what are we doing over here? Actually, okay, so start strings group expand end position. End position group dictionary last index position read regs spans start string. Okay, but even if we don't know what's the correct input is, we can change our none. Okay, so we can just say over here, if a equals none, print well, if a is not equal to none, we have to print yes, I guess yes, right? So let's just run the code. I'm not sure if it's gonna work. Okay, that is weird. Oh, sheesh. This is what was going on over here. So span was 6 to 7, that means match 8, 7, 8 or 9. So what my pattern is doing is that starts with 7, 8 or 9 and then match 8. This thing matches everything. Starts with 9, should start with 9. Okay, so 6 to 7 is the okay, let's just remove this thing. First just make sure that our starting is good or not. Okay, so we found match 9. Starts with 7, 8 or 9. Using or in regular expression. Okay, so if I like dogs or penguins but not lions or tiger. Okay. Okay, let's go back. A regular expression operations specifies a set of strings that matches it, but I am looking for or. Some characters like ye or ye are special qualifiers. Caret. Used to indicate a set of characters in a set. Okay, what we can do over here is that listed individually easily will match AMK. Okay, so I feel like this thing should be in a set over here like this. It's gonna be 9, 7, 8. Okay, and then we can do our old thing. There is two things going on over here. That one, we are printing the none, right? And then else print yes, no. Oh, sheesh. Okay, okay. Yes, yes, and no, because this thing starts with 9. Oh, this thing starts with 8. But of course, it cannot be a number. Expected was no, yes, no, but we said yes, we have it for this one. We also have to check that there are no alphabets in there. Okay, and there are no alphabets in there. But why would it okay, so all the sets of starts with this thing, but 0 or more such characters. Completely possible empty string only a search of characters, right? Starts with this thing and then a completely non. Alphabet in a string regex. Okay, check your string contains only alphabets, right? Okay, so is alpha true? Is alpha false? Okay, string one dot is alpha, and then it's gonna make sure that okay, sheesh, it's not all alphabets. There is a digit in there, right? So or we can check it through regex, because this is the actual problem here. That is 8F5469. Okay, we have to say exclude. Okay, searching for regular expressions. So instead of just checking that if we have an alphabet in there, what we can do is we can just make sure that the string matches with only digit, not the thing. Okay, so okay. 9. Okay, this refers to 9 times this to this thing, right? Instead of the point, we can say okay, 0 to 9, right? Let's try this one. Oh wow, sheesh, 2 is not working. Really? Oh my god. Oh sheesh. Sorry guys, I have to. Okay. So we got it. 0 to 9 to 9 digits. Starts with 978. 0 to 9. Okay. 0 to 9. Okay, if a is equal to none, we have to print LF. Test case 5 and test case 2 are not passing the test. Okay. That's weird actually. Okay. So HackerRank. Okay. So starts with 9, 7, or 8, right? Let's just switch it to 7, 8, or 9. 7, 8, or 9. If anything in this set. Then we have a set of 0 to 9, one or more than these, right? Exists 9 times. So 9 and 1 is going to make us 10. So if a is equal to none, then we have a printing no. If a is not equal to none, then we are printing yes. But this thing is the actual problem is not here. Exclusion in regex. Okay, so any character except okay, any character, not a period. From A to Z and from A to Z. From A to Z. Okay. I feel like this is not an optimized way of doing it, but at least we can get away with errors. Matches any character except A. Exclude a word or a string, right? So we have to exclude, not ignore. Okay, A to Z and then okay, it's going to be 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. Put F in there, and then we have to run code with this one. Okay, what is this doing? Okay, we have to give the input as well. Okay, so output is no because it ends with F. Okay, now let's just do this thing. Starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then put some F here, A here, B here, oh G, 3, 4, 10. Okay, so this is no compilation successful, and the answer is no. Doing 2 times. Okay, let's just assume we're giving him an 8 with this thing, and then copy paste over here, 7, run code. No, that is correct. Let's add 0 over here, 0 over here, 1 code. Why is it? Oh, because we have G in there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 9, 0. No, that is what is? We are getting the right answers. Okay, look. So there is like pattern dot search. Oh, I get one thing from here actually. I was using none, right? If a print. Okay, there's something wrong with the. But this guy uses backslash d with 9. What is the use of backslash d? Okay, so instead of using this thing, he used this thing, so makes sense. 9, and then what is dollar sign? Okay, I know that's cheating, but we don't wanna. We have to move on as well. Read or search, or 7, 8, 9, or D with 9 count, L count. Bro, this guy is making it quite complex. Okay, what I'm seeing here is that most of them are using this dollar sign at the end to check. Let's just use dollar sign here. Yeah, but okay, now we got it though. But okay, dollar sign. We need to learn what is the use of this thing. Dollar means match the ending of the string, the position after the last character in the string. Okay, I still don't get it. Okay, so they're saying like the dollar means like they're gonna match the whole string. If it should match the whole pattern. If it doesn't, it's not a valid pattern. Okay. Get it? Mhm. Let's move on to our next problem. Let me check my rank. Leaderboard. Not bad. Okay, let's move on to our next question. Which one is, let's take some more easy ones first. Calendar modules. Find the torsional angle. Oh my god. Read or split seems to be easy. Okay. Okay, so regular expression, do not delete R. Okay, so we have to split at this. You're given a string as only digits 0 to 9, comma, any dots, and yeah, which will be used to read or split all of the yeah symbols. Okay, so we need to know the pattern. It is guaranteed that every comma and every dot in S is preceded and followed by a digit, right? So we have to find the commas and the read or split at the regex pattern. So we need to know, like, okay, split at a, okay, let's just, before searching anything, let's just comma and a dot, comma or dot, right? So run. Okay, your output is this thing. Okay, so print ye dot join. Why they give us this thing? Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So string dot split forward slash this and backslash s. Okay, they're escaping the characters actually. Okay, the comma, and then they have the 4-digit right over here. Backslash s. No way if it works. Your output is this thing, and then okay, we have to put, why we just don't do use a set like this? What? No way. We just use a set of commas and this thing. Okay, that was okay. So a group expression returns one or more subgroups of the match. I'm gonna take a break for like 5 minutes, then I'm gonna come back. Okay, no, our Yep, I'm back. I need to fix the lighting, you know. Oh, yeah, it's better now. Okay, so whatever it is. Oh yeah. So where is my hacker rank? A group expression returns a tuple containing all the subgroups of the matches. Okay, so m dot group. Group dictionary, and then a group expression returns one or more subgroups of the thing, group dictionary, and tasks. You're given a string S. First occurrence of an alphanumeric character in S. Read from left to right. That has consecutive repetitions. Okay, so sample input should be this thing, and sample output should be 1. Print the first occurrence of the repeating character. Okay, what we have to do is just find anything between alphanumeric, but it is not alphanumeric. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to search for the digits, right? I'm pretty sure I can do it without the regex. Actually, I don't want to use regex. So weird. So input is going to be like this. Okay, import 3, and then we have the pattern. I believe in the upcoming samples and the test cases, it will be a very big number. So we have to just take the few first. Why we just don't I don't care, man. Let's just do it. Okay, we have an input, right? Okay, input dot split. Let's just try doing this. Dot split will return as a list, and then what we can do is for I in input dot split, if I is alpha 1, tell if a digit is alphanumeric or not. Actually, forget about it. So, okay, and then uh, Python collections counter. Okay, so counter is gonna be over here. Okay, that makes complete sense. No named collections. It's collections, not collection. So counter is returning me this thing, but new list input dot split. Okay, why is it not splitting the input? Okay, for in. Okay, so 1 exists 12 times, right? So 1, so let's just assume it's in the first 5 of the thing, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 1 exists 12 times. That means, okay, come on, okay, so uh, okay, so for comma we encounter dot items, right? New list dot item. Okay, new list dot items. Then we have, say, if v is greater than 1. Okay, then we have to print k, and then you just have to break it. Okay, let's try with the, I knew it. Print if v is greater than 1. First repeating characters of the string is the substring of I. Oh sheesh. Why we are processing. This thing is so scary when it says processing. Okay. We don't have any other way rather than the regular expression thing. We can't run away from it. Okay, so print the first occurrence of the repeating character. If there are no repeating characters, print -1. Okay, let's just assume if we have the counter thing, right? And we need to get the first repeating thing. Okay, the first repeat. I guess, let me check the time. Yeah, it's almost 1 hour. So I'm gonna quit now. We're gonna solve this thing in the next stream. Probably. Okay. Okay, guys, take care and okay. Goodbye. Goodbye. And stream.